Hello, this video is about the best for finger settings and HUD. First, I will tell you the appropriate settings for fingers. Then I will help you personalize your HUD. Set the first option of camera rotation mode to speed acceleration. Of course, I recommend it, because when you need the top screen rotation speed, just slide your finger faster on the screen. Turn off these two options that allow you to rotate your screen. With the shooting and aiming buttons, because you are using your thumb to aim, not your index fingers. Set the aim down sight option to hold, of course. This is my suggestion because if you use both shooting sticks, you don't need to keep the weapon sight open. To separate the prone button, set the change stance option to split so that it is separated from the crouch button. The next option is in the HUD customization section. Click on the throwable and tactical section and click on the variation option. And select direct throw for quick throwing. The next customization is the button to change the weapon, which you can make it small and accessible like the previous one. To change your weapon quickly by pressing a button. A new button that is different from other mobile games. Like the Call of Duty Mobile is the tactical sprint button if you play with 4 fingers. It should be in front of the buttons to change the mode, prone, crouch, and jump. When arranging the HUD, it is important to pay attention to the function of each button and ensure that the buttons being used simultaneously are not placed next to each other. This is the best guide that is arranged considering the functionality of buttons and making movements similar to console players. And you can change them considering the size of your fingers and the screen of your phone. The finisher button in the game can be seen when you are behind the enemy and place it where you can touch it as soon as possible. Sometimes some buttons get bugged and you don't use them. You have to reset the HUD.